This video will help you set up your EZVIZ Mini O 1080p using the EZVIZ app. Here's what's in the box. First, plug in your camera into a power outlet. Download the EZVIZ app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Then, open the EZVIZ app. Choose New User Registration on the bottom of your screen. Register using your email address. Enter your email and create a password. Then you'll receive a verification code. Enter the verification code into the app. Now, let's add the cameras. On the main menu, press the plus sign on the center of the screen. Choose Scan QR code. Then, scan the QR code located on the mounting bracket of the device. Select the Connect to Network button. Connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi network and then type your password. Turn your phone's volume to its maximum setting and hold your phone close to the camera. A sound will sync your Wi-Fi settings to your camera. Lastly, select your time zone and date. Then choose View Camera. Now you can enjoy your Mini O 1080p camera. Thank you for being a part of the EZVIZ family.